Hi guys, this is Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I wanted to play with my little snap kit some more. And I came across Miss Angela Parker's video while I was perusing YouTube. And she was doing some gift card holders. And she made them with 5x5 sheets of cardstock or pattern paper and her envelope punch board and put the snaps in. So, and she laminated them too. So I made the ones from yesterday with the big one. So I'm gonna use this little mini one to make the smaller envelopes today. And can I use the bigger one? Yep. But I don't want to. I just want to use this one because I haven't in a while. So the side of the paper that you want to be on the outside needs to be down on the surface of the cutting board, not the cutting board, the envelope punch board. And like I said, these are 5x5, and this is single sided. So I'm gonna start at 2 inches. Pull the little, whatever this little thing is, if I can get it out. How about let's take it out first? How about that? Okay, so we're gonna start at 2 inches. And this pink paper is from a Michael stack, and I really like it. It was one that Miss Paulette used. She showed a tutorial, not a tutorial, but she had a project share like yesterday, and punch here, and we're gonna score. And it was using that paper pad, and I said, let me see if I can find it. And of course, I found a few sheets left. Punch, and I think they would be real cute and score real cute gift card holders. Go ahead and score and punch, and we're going to turn this around to this side, and I'm going to round all of the corners. You don't have to, you can just round whichever ones you think that's going to be seen, but I like doing all of them. Okay, and that's that one. And I'm going to do one more, just so you can see that you can do the same thing with the larger envelope punch board. And here it is. And again, 5x5. This one just so happens to be double-sided. So 5x5. I'm going to start at 2 inches. Let me grab the bone folder or whatever this thing is called here. Punch, score, punch, score, punch, score, punch, score. That looks like it may be a tad bit off, but it's alrighty. And I'm going to round the corners. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go off camera, do a few more, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have them all cut and scored, I hope. Let's see how many I can get into this one 8.5 by 11 laminating sheet. So I won't be able to get one that way. Oh, well, I hate that. Only can get 2 in. Okay, well, my laminator is already heated up, so let me pull these other ones back. And you know, I have those other sheets that are cloudy. Let me pull this one back some, and I'm gonna try those and see how they work. If I can find them, that's gonna be the kicker right there. But I still have these right here, and we're gonna see if we can laminate these I might just do 1 or 2 just to see if it comes out real cloudy. So let me find those sheets and I'll be back. Alright, it took some doing, but I found it. And these are the laminated pouches that I have, the ones that are old and cloudy. And these are 11 1/4 by 17 1/4. And these are 3 mil. So we got this one. This one is ready to be cut out and everything. I'm going to put that one in the drawer right quick. Get it out the way. And we're going to try one of these pouches here. See what it looks like. We know what it looks like when you're trying to laminate sequins. I don't know what it looks like when you're laminating paper. I don't know if it's still going to be cloudy, if it's going to dull the paper. I really don't know. So let's get these in here. We are experimenting right now. And if it works, cool. And if it don't, I'm not going to cry about it. We just know from now on, you know. Just know that, just probably go ahead on and trash the whole thing. And if something happens, at least we'll have 2 good ones out the deal. Let's see how many is that left over. There's 3. So just trying to get them a little space. Okay, I think ooh, is this close to the edge over there? Okay, I think this will work. So let's get this closed. Okay, and get this into the laminator here. Remove my phone. Okay. And let's hope for the best. Okay, so it didn't do too bad. Let me check out the other one. And let's see what kind of difference is it. Let's put it this way. Can you see a difference in between the one that's old and the one that's new? I don't see a difference really. So I can use the old pouches that if you try to do sequence is cloudy. I can do that to cover cover paper without a problem. But to laminate the sequence, I can't do it. I'll have to use my new sheets. So I'm going to get these cut out and I'll be back. Okay guys, I got these all trimmed and right now they are just ready to be put together. Now I went on and did one while I was off camera. And here it is. This is it. I put the black snap on there. Pink and black and what's this, white gold. And I just used black because I didn't want to use pink. And as you can see, the grease card fits in there very well. Snaps without a problem. What else with this thing? Oh, you got to be careful because of the size. I tried to put it in the middle so that I would have a better chance of, you know, making sure that because, you know, this space right here is limited, that, you know, I could get in there good. And I've seen one person put an eyelet right here on the tip and put some beads in there. Put a little dangle in there. So I think that'd be cute too. So we're gonna do one real quick. And I won't be able to use my setting mat because it's too big. So let's see, we're gonna use one of these. Let me just grab this purple one. And I didn't even look, this one I didn't even round the corner, so I don't want to use that one. I want to do one with the corners rounded. Let's do the donuts. Time to make the donuts. Okay, and I just bend these. And that may be an issue because I'm quite sure this is one of the Geez, the one with the old ones. See how it has come away from the paper. So I guess the best thing really to do is just get some new and be done with it, because you don't want this to happen, especially if you're doing this for a craft fair. You most definitely don't want that. And see, with this right here, anyway, I actually cut the bubble. Let me see if I'm gonna see if I can put that back through and see what'll happen. Let me pick up another one. I don't know if this was one or not. Most of them, I'm sure I did cut the bubble, but we're gonna see. And I believe this one is one of the new sheets. Yeah, it has to be, because it's just doing what it's supposed to do. Separate right there again. But we're gonna keep it moving anyway. It is what it is. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is, I got this closed up. I got my awl, and I'm gonna try to do it kind of in the middle-ish, and I'm just gonna listen for it. Okay, that's one. Let me see if I got to the second one. Yes, I did. It's a very small hole. You can't see it, but I did make it through there. Punch that one on out. Punch this one on out. I'm going to take, let's do a highlighter yellow. It probably ain't gonna even look right, but hey, that's what I want. We're gonna do a highlighter yellow. I'll get, what is the socket and the stud, if I can get one. That's the socket. Where's the stud? Okay, there's the stud. And we're gonna put, I'm gonna start on the bottom. We'll put that one in first, and I'm gonna put the socket on. Let me make sure. Wait a minute. Hold on. I'm doing this wrong for the bottom. Put this on the inside. There we go. And put this one on the outside. Just gonna mash them together to hold it in place till I get the pliers. Make sure that it's in place, and it is. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's fitting in there exactly. We're going to push, well, squeeze. Okay. And we're going to repeat this with the stud. Make sure that the cap is seated properly. There we go. It's in there. Squeeze. I think I squeezed too hard, y'all. I think I cracked it. Okay. Here's my tape. Do I even want to attempt to finish this? I think eventually there's probably a break, but I'm not going to even worry about it right now. So when you squeeze, don't squeeze too hard, like I just did. So I'm just going to put a little of this red line about right to there. You don't have much room with these smaller ones. Maybe like an inch or so. Okay. And right here. Make sure I don't have no stickies. Nope, no stickies. And I'm gonna put that there. Cool. And there it is. And I did break this one. I don't know if you'll be able to see it right there. So I must have put a little bit too much pressure. But they will break, so just be careful. And while I still got you guys, where is that one? This one. I'm gonna see if what happened if I try to redo that one. Put it back through. See what happens. And again, this could be another one, and it could be very well that I cut the bubble. The reason why this is buckling. Let me do it this way. Did that fix it? Nope. So, guys, if you can help it, don't cut the bubble. I cut the bubble, and that's what's happening. My paper is buckling. And it actually could be that this one came from one of the old ones, but I don't think so. Just don't cut the bubble if you can help it, okay? All right, guys, that is it, because you can't fix it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. See, still buckle. I forgot what I just said. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.